Right now, these dark cinematic food crime videos are going crazy viral across social media. These gritty noir stories get a lot of views because they are so unique and visually striking. In this tutorial, you will see exactly how you can make them too, step by step, completely from scratch. First, you need to open the GPT link I left in the description for you. It opens right inside ChatGPT. Now type your idea into the message bar. For this example, type something like glazed donut. Hit enter. The GPT will immediately start building your case file. It generates a 5-part cinematic crime story for your food character. You will see 5 distinct beats. Go to the first scene, then click the copy button on the gray code block. Now it is time to create the visuals. Open Google Flow and click on Create New Project. Paste your first prompt into the text field. Then set the model to Imagen 4. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical. Click Generate. While the first image is rendering, copy the second prompt and paste it again to Google Flow and click Generate again. Repeat this process for all 5 scenes. Once all images are complete, download each one to your computer. Now we need to turn these still images into dynamic animations. Go to FlexClip. Click on the AI Video Studio, then click Image to Video tool in the sidebar. Click the Upload button and select your first image, the one showing the initial health violation. Now look for the model selector. Choose Kling Standard 2.6 from the list. This model gives you the best quality and motion stability for your character. Motion prompt field. First you need to request it on GPT. Just type, make a video prompt for each scene with 5 seconds voice scripts. After that, just wait for it to generate. Then copy the first prompt and go back to FlexClip and paste it. Click Generate and let it render. Now clear that image and upload your second shot, the police bust. Paste the second video prompt from GPT and hit Generate again. Repeat this for every single one of your 5 shots. Each image becomes its own high-quality video clip. Download all your clips once they are ready. Now if you want to skip all that manual work, there is a much faster way to scale this entire process. We put together everything you need inside our school community. The link is in the description. Inside In School, go to Classroom tab, then click the Airtable template, then find the EP36 Case Closed Mastering Noir AI Narrative tab. Then now you can see there's a ready-to-use prompts that you can duplicate on your own. After that, you can go to the Airtable link. Just scroll up a bit, then click that link. After that, you will see a different kind of channels here. But for now, let's look for channel called Calorie Convicts. Click on that channel. Scroll down until you find the episodes section. Let's create our first automated episode. Type EP1 as the title in the first column. Click on that episode tab to open the details. Find the idea column and type glazed donut. Now look for the status tab. Set the status to the story automation button. Wait a few minutes until you see the thumbnail picture appear in the cell. Once the thumbnail is there, change the status to full automation. So the system will now run in the background to generate the scripts, create the images, and organize everything automatically, so you do not have to switch between different tools. Now your video needs the right soundtrack to feel like a real noir film. Go to Artlist. In the search bar, type gritty, dark, cinematic noir. Browse the results and pick a track with deep bass and a moody atmosphere. Download that track to your computer. Now open CapCut to assemble the final edit. Import all your video clips, your music track, your sound effects, and your voiceover file. Drag your video clips onto the timeline in the correct order, starting with the violation. Line it up so the narration matches the specific scene on the screen. Drop your music track underneath and lower the volume to about -15 decibels so it doesn't drown out the voice. Now add your sound effects on the transitions. After arranging it all, just export it. And now your video is finally ready.
Look, sweetheart, I just gave him a little spike. Nobody said sugar had to play nice. You got the wrong pastry, pal. I didn't clog those arteries alone, see? Yeah, I'm sweet. That's how I get in. Then boom, glucose hits like a getaway car. That mess on the table, sugar crashes, waistlines, bad habits, yeah, that's my rap sheet. In the end, the glaze fades, but the damage sticks. That's the kind of sentence you can't outrun.
Your video is finally ready, now you need to get it out there. You could just upload directly to YouTube and TikTok manually. But if you want to be smart about it, use a scheduling tool to save time. If you are on a budget, go with Metricool because it handles the basics and lets you post to multiple platforms at once. If you want the absolute best scheduling experience, use Vista Social. Upload your finished video file once. Write your title and your description. Then schedule it across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Shorts, all from one single dashboard. You can set up custom reminders for each post. Schedule an entire month of these food crime episodes in just one afternoon. Then sit back and let the algorithm do its thing while you sleep. Remember, everything including the prompts, the Airtable template, and the full workflow is waiting for you in the school community. Link in the description.